Hello guys, welcome back for a new video. I'm Brian. This is Salvador. Say hi, Salvador. This is Stanley's dad. So he and Angela are the parents to Stanley. He's down here in the studio today. He likes to sit under my table and just sleep while I... Thank you very much. I also get ear cleans. He likes to sit under the table while I paint, so... All right. Go ahead. Go down here. All right, so today I'm going to do an open cup pour, and I'm keeping it very simple. I want to go with a monochromatic theme. So today I'm just using white, black, and silver, and I'm going to do it on a 15 by 30 canvas. So it's a longer canvas, and I'm looking to hopefully keep some negative space on it as well. So let's get you down on the canvas and we'll look at these colors real quick and then we'll get started. All right, I'll be right back. So what I've got here is a 15 by 30 gallery wrap canvas. It is taped and push pinned on the back. My colors I'm using are Amsterdam and the Oxide black. I'm using the Soho Urban Artist Silver. This is a really heavy bodied acrylic paint. And then I'm using titanium white from Amsterdam. My base coat is going to be white, but I'm using Artist Loft in the soft body white. All right, so let's flood the canvas. Okay, so what I would like to do is what I did is I cut the top off of a 16-ounce cup, and I'm gonna put this here in the center. Actually, you know what? That looks a little large. All right, so I've got the top from a 9-ounce cup. I just cut the bottom off of it, so I'm gonna pour into that. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start to layer the colors inside of the top of the cup and move the cup around. Okay, so what I would like to do is put the cup, I think, right here. And so let me tell you how I mix my paints. My paints are mixed with Liquitex Gloss Pouring Medium. And I put about ½ an ounce of the gloss medium to about 1.5 ounces of paint. And then what I did, and then I put about 5 ounces of Floetrol and then some water to thin it down. So it barely makes a mound and it sinks right in itself. I'm gonna pour up high so that the paint will sink into the white. So I've put this cup down here on the base of the canvas. I'm gonna pour some white around the edge to kind of like seal the cup in. And I'm also going to pour a little bit of white here in the center. I'm going to start with black. A little bit of white. A little more black. And then it's going to start to ooze out some silver. Now this technique will make cells just because of the density of the paints and pouring them up high. Also with the silver, that is going to actually create cells too. So this is going to be a really cool looking painting, I believe. You can already start to see it coming up. Add some more white. Some black. A little bit of silver. It's really beautiful. Tilt the cup a little bit. Black. Some white. Some more black. I'm going to kind of guide it around here. And silver. This is going to be enough paint for this size canvas. So I'm going to tilt this down a little bit. Lightly pick up the cup and circle it over here off of the edge. As I'm picking up, I'm turning the cup in a clockwise direction and off. Give this a little torch. Now I'm going to see how this tilts out. right. Love the darkness and how it fades over here. Would like to see a little bit more darkness on this other end. Let's see if we can keep tilting. Maybe bring some of this darkness down. Love it. Loving the negative space. Got the nice darkness and then it fades over here. Just cool. I like this a lot. All right, I'm gonna take some of my white and I'm gonna make sure my edges are covered. Let's give this a little torch. Okay, here we go. I love this. I love that I kept negative space with this. I got cells. I didn't get a lot of cells, which I'm actually happy with because the cells that I got are so cool. The cells are coming up black and silver and white. So I really, really do love this a lot. Let me bring you in here. Wow, this one really turned out beautiful. I love working just minimum 3 colors. That was so nice. Silver, black, and white, just perfect. I think I would like to do another one and use a black base. So cool. Let me bring you in here. I love those little cluster of white cells down there in the bottom right. So cool looking. Okay, everyone, thanks for tuning in for today's video. The piece came out really, really beautiful. I love, again, the monochromatic theme of just black and white, some silver. Really came out beautiful. Just love it. Just love it. So I will get some varnish on this one and then I will get it up on my Etsy shop. Okay, guys, everyone have a wonderful day. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.